Hey guys, Blunderlock here. So today we're gonna be talking about the InPods 12 Pros. We're gonna be talking about how good they are after a week of using this every day. I'm gonna talk about the battery life, how good the sound quality is, if it's worth your money or not, and if you guys should pick this up or not. So first of all, talking about the build quality, it has a glossy finish, which feels really nice, although it does feel quite cheap. The feel isn't exactly premium, it's really cheap, but for the price, I mean, it's okay for the price, but definitely the feel is totally cheap. It charges with a lightning port connector, the same one used for the older version iPad and the iPhone. So that's really convenient if you have an iPhone or the older version iPad and you're using it with this. So another thing is the battery life is pretty good. It lasts me about a good 5 hours on full charge, so I can use it constantly using it, yeah, 5 hours. But if I'm not using it constantly, just on and off, maybe when I'm going out or going to work or coming back home, then definitely this gets me through the day. But of constant usage every single time, just about 5 hours, which I think is pretty good for the price. Is definitely good. So I'm gonna connect this up to a device and we're gonna do a little sound test, because something I noticed about this, and it's something I said in the unboxing video, is that the bass is not really so good. The bass is not so loud, and it's with the lack of transparency mode and the active noise cancellation. It doesn't have active noise cancellation as well. It's pretty annoying. It's definitely nowhere near the normal AirPods Pros, but I mean, it's really good. So let me connect this up, and yeah guys, I want to show you something cool. So actually, when you connect it to the iPad or the iPhone, it shows it has noise cancellation and transparency mode like this, but they don't actually work. It just shows this. So but you can rename this to whatever you want. You could put AirPods Pros, which is really cool. You can do all that, but just want you guys to know the noise cancellation and the transparency mode doesn't work. It's written there, but it definitely doesn't work. So I'm gonna play a song for you guys. So that's just a little sound test so you guys can see the song. And something I've noticed is when you take the AirPods out of your ears, it automatically stops the music, which is really good. And the one touch functions are also quite reliable. They work quite well, which is really good for the price, because this comes in at under $12, so that's amazing. But definitely I still prefer the normal InPods 12s to this, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna leave a link for this in the description below, and if you guys are interested, you guys can pick it up. So if you loved it, please, if you like it, please leave a like, and if you loved it, please subscribe. See you guys in the next one.